Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be talking all about how you can start your small business while working full-time as a professional woman, even if you have a high demand job. If you don't know, my name is Sephora. I'm a licensed attorney and business coach, and let's go ahead and jump into the video. So the first thing that you're going to want to do, and this one may be a little hard, but I'm going to need you to figure out how you can do it to the best of your ability. You are going to either give yourself flexibility in your day job or create non-negotiable hours to work on your business. So the most common thing that I see in my clients is they're 9 to 5 or they're 9 to 8 or they're 7 to 7, right? Is like stressing them out. And there's just so much to be done at all hours of the day that they have no time to start their small business. And trust me, I get it. And so this is what you need to do. You need to create flexibility where you're going to be grinding for a certain amount of time until you get this business up off the ground, until your systems and automations are in place, so you don't have to do this kind of split grind thing. So there's two ways for you to do this. The first way is for you to choose a day or two where you solely focus on your business. Choose a day or two where it's like, hey, just one day a week, I'm going to do 10 or 12 hours solely on building this small business. One day a week. If that's on the weekend, that's fine. If that's during the week, that's fine. However you want to do, but at least 1 or 2 days a week to solely focus on your business and not do anything related to your job. The second way, if you don't think you can devote 1 to 2 days a week solely devoted to your business, is to set non-negotiable business hours, right? If you say, for example, okay, from 6 to 9 a.m. every day, 6 to 9 a.m. every morning, it's business hours. I'm going to be working on my business. I'm going to be building the business, and you make sure your job or make sure your team or whoever it is needs to know, I am unavailable from 6 to 8 a.m. every day. I'm unavailable from 6 to 9 a.m. every day. Of course, there may be some instances where that is not feasible, emergency, whatever. We're not talking about those. I'm talking about generally speaking. Or maybe you make those hours late in the evening, right? Okay, from 8 to 10 p.m. I'm unavailable. From 7 to 10 p.m. I'm unavailable. So one of those two options, either one, you devote 1 to 2 days where you say it's solely business time. I'm solely working on building my business during these 2 days, and everything else is my day job. Every other day is my day job. Or you're devoting those specific hours solely to your business. Okay, however you want to do it, this is how you're going to balance this high demand 6-figure job with building your future 6-figure business. Okay, that's how you're going to balance that and make sure that you have time to actually build this business so that you can have that future of freedom that you desire. The second thing that you can do is take business workcations. Okay, so you take workcations for your job, most likely, maybe sometimes, right? So you can take one for your business. Book a hotel or book an Airbnb for 1 to 3 nights, get away from the family, get away from everything, and book these 1 to 2 nights where you solely work on your business. Maybe you do this once a month, maybe you do it once every 2 months, whatever it may be. If for some reason you can't do it at home and you can't do it in the office because you got home distractions or office distractions or work distractions, these businesscations, these business workcations is where you go and you set this time aside to solely work on your business. Like, I know you may have heard of like authors like going away for maybe like an entire week and writing their entire book. I'm not saying you have to go away from an entire week, but I'm saying maybe a couple days, 2 to 3 nights, whatever it may be, to solely work on getting your business off the ground, up and running, to devote to putting in this time to getting your business to where you want it to be so that you can eventually leave your job and also replace that 6-figure income while still being able to have that freedom, or giving yourself the freedom that you don't currently have in your full-time job. The next thing is hire a business coach, me, to help you do it, right? Because when you're working full-time and you have this 6-figure salary and you are limited in time, you're not going to have the ability to kind of mess up, or the ability to kind of like guess and do all this guesswork and figure out what works and what doesn't, because you simply don't have the time. I suggest simply hiring a business coach to tell you what to do. I did it. I hired a career coach. You guys know, I hired a coach in almost everything, career coach, business coach, whatever it may be, because they can just give you the steps to take to get it all done, and you aren't playing this guesswork, and you can just start making money and climb the ladder much, much quicker. And so that is especially what I recommend, especially if you are limited in time and you're working in this 6-figure job and you have the money to do it, because you're going to get yourself off the ground much quicker. You're going to know the exact steps you need to take to get your business off the ground, to get that business strategy implemented, all of those things. The good thing about hiring a business coach too is it's at least with me, you have the opportunity to book VIP weekends or book VIP days or book strategy sessions where you can get all of this done in a weekend, get your business off the ground in a weekend, get your business started in a weekend, or VIP days, long days, or strategy sessions, right? So there's plenty of different options that you can do to work within your schedule to really get your business off the ground and working for you. The next thing is to outsource all housework. Oh my gosh, outsource all housework. The cooking, do meal prep delivery, hire a chef, meal plan, whatever. The grocery shopping, do grocery delivery. The house cleaning, hire a house cleaner. The laundry, get laundry service, right? Stop spending your time on all of that, because all of that adds up to hours and hours and hours and hours every week. And that's hours that you could be spending on your business. That's hours that you could be devoting to making more money, especially when you can likely hire someone to do these tasks for much less than it would cost you to do it yourself, in terms of the time that you're giving up, the freedom that you're giving up, and working on your business and getting yourself the freedom that you desire. Lastly, establish systems and automations in your business, because ultimately these things just free up time for you. So a couple of automations that I have, which I love, is of course email automation, ads, having ads, so I'm directly reaching people even when I'm not actively on social media or not active in my business. I'm always getting those new leads in. Having my shorts edited, reels edited, different things like that. I have automation for that. My video editor, I actually pay someone to do that for me, right? So tons of different ways that you can automate these systems in your business. I think the most important, of course, is having your marketing, having an automated marketing system that happens where you don't have to be active in it every single day or every single hour. Your client or your leads just naturally flow through them. And then the sales funnel, same thing, having that automated so your clients and your leads just naturally flow through those sales systems, those automated systems. And that just takes away the need for you to be ever present 24/7 in your business, okay? If you guys need help with anything that I discussed, if you need help with getting your business off the ground or getting any of those business automations set up, then feel free to click the link in my bio and schedule a consultation. And you can also grab your free guide on 10 crucial steps to starting your business. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope to see you on my next one. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.